Hey, what's up, JVs? Mark Thompson here. Really excited to be shooting this video because I'm going to be releasing the List Eruption 2.0 plugin on May 9th. And really, if you've been following the evolution of List Eruption, we originally launched it in 2011, got an outstanding amount of feedback. It was a great plugin. People loved it. It really kind of revolutionized the way that people built their list through viral word-of-mouth marketing. And we have completely revamped the entire plugin from the ground up. We've added a new interface. We've added new landing pages, designs, new features, and it also integrates with any autoresponder now. So it's much more flexible than when it was back in 2011. And so, I mean, I know, a lot of people throw the word game changer around. I really think this is a game changer when it comes to list building. And I think you guys are going to see just how powerful and professionally done this was. And so what you're looking at right now is one of the landing pages that you would send your traffic to. Okay, landing page or a squeeze page. We have lots of different options, and everything on this page is customizable. But basically what you can do is embed a video or an image or just some content on a page. And this is the video that I shot for this example, and the person puts in their name and email address, okay, and what they're doing is they're just opting in for typically a free piece of content, but it can be also for a webinar if you want to, it doesn't matter, and they download the report. Now once they've clicked that, they're going to go to this thank you page. Okay, now the thank you page allows them to download the report or whatever free information you're going to give them. But there's also, and this is where the power lies with List Eruption, is step 2, which is sharing the report to unlock more bonuses and rewards. And so what we've done is we provided the user with a unique referral URL and social sharing options. And so for every time that they give this referral link to one of their friends who opts in, they're going to get a point, okay? And you can set the number of rewards that you want and the number of points they need to unlock bonuses. And you can set as many rewards as you want. Now, on top of the referral URL that they send out, you can also give them points for sharing this on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Google+, on Twitter. So they're getting points there, but then they're also getting points for sharing their referral URL. So they can earn lots of points just from sharing this on their social media networks. And so as you can see, this is almost like a game, and we've tried to incorporate the gamification concept into List Eruption 2.0. Now we've also added a professionally done video here that shows exactly how this works. When the person lands on this thank you page, it walks them through what they should do. And so I'll just play that really quick.
Thanks for signing up. You can now access your awesome download above. We provided you with a unique referral URL and social sharing options that allow you to earn additional rewards. Earn 1 point for each person you refer, and additional points for sharing on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google+. Additional rewards will automatically unlock once you reach the specified number of referrals. It's time to start sharing and unlock other cool rewards and promotions.
And so that's the video that plays. Now you could also customize this as well. So if you want to have a custom video, you can embed that with YouTube or any video embed code. So again, very, very flexible. Now here are the rewards that they can unlock. So you can see here, previous to this video, I shared this on Twitter. So you can see that I earned a point for that, and I need 4 more points. So it shows a really neat graphic as to how many points you need to unlock the reward. And so once they reach 5 referrals, they'll unlock these 2 bonuses, because I set that to 5 points they need, and then they need 10 and 15 to unlock these 2. So you can have as many as you want. And again, it's incentivizing people to share the free content that you're giving away. And so as you can see, there's this huge viral nature to this plugin. Now we also added another tab for earn extra points. So by liking your fan page or by following you on Twitter, you can also earn points. So again, as you can see, guys, I mean, this is just a great way to build your social media, your branding, your drive viral traffic, and obviously build your email list. Now, what I want to do is show you the back end of the plugin. And so right here, this is the dashboard. Obviously, this is a WordPress plugin, and as you can see, here's the dashboard. It shows the 2 campaigns that we're running here. It shows the number of people that have viewed the landing page, and then the total number of leads or subscribers. And so you can click here. That'll go to the to the page or your landing page. But then if you click this little configuration button, it goes inside to where you can configure all of your settings. And so as you can see the total number of views, subscribers, and the aggregated number of social shares. And then it breaks it down by Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+, so you can see exactly how many, who's engaging with what social media outlets. You can export your subscribers to a CSV if you want to. It shows all of your subscribers and their information right here, how many points they've gotten or referrals, which level they've reached, and the number of referrals. Okay, now another cool thing you can do is you can reset the views if you want to. You can delete the cookies if you want to, if you want them to go back to the landing page. Now automatically, whenever someone opts in, they're automatically going to be cookied and they'll redirect to this page. So they can always refer back to this giveaway page to see how many referrals they have and how many they need to unlock the rewards. Okay, then you can also pick a random winner. If you want to do a contest, this has some built-in logic where you just click this button and it automatically will select a random winner with their email address. So if you want to run a contest, you can do so. So this is your dashboard showing you your stats. Now this is the landing page settings, so you can choose the different styles that you want. This is your background style. Let me just go back to here so you can I can refer to it. And so as you can see, you can totally customize this entire page, the background, the color of the button, what the button says, which fields you want to put on your landing page, the title, obviously, the footer. You can also be an affiliate here, put your affiliate link in and earn credit. And so let me go back here. So you can choose one of our preset backgrounds, or you can use your own custom background image. Okay, you can say if you want it to stretch on the page or if you want it to repeat. The opt-in box layout. So we have two different landing page designs. So you can have the wide version or the skinny version. The opt-in position box, so if you want it centered or to the left or to the right. Just some more like kind of aesthetics, shadows and opt-in box color and styles. You can change all of that. Okay, if you want to put your logo in there. Obviously, this is where your logo will show up at the top. You don't have to put a logo in there if you don't want to. Here's your headline, so you can put your headline in here. It's just using a WYSIWYG editor, so you can customize it how you want to. This is your thank you headline that shows up after the person has opted in. And then what's called the hero call to action. So basically this is this area here. So do you want this to be a video? Do you want this to be an image? Or do you want to just copy there? And you can do that and you can embed your video. Okay. Here are your opt-in settings. So what you want to say above the form, which fields you want to activate on the form, what form style you want to use. We have 5 different styles. What icons you want to use. I mean, as you can see, this can get very granular, or you can just keep it the way that it is as default. We have lots of different opt-in button styles, button colors, what the opt-in button copy says. So again, every List Eruption page can be extremely unique because of all the different flexibility and options that we have. And then just your spam notice to help increase conversions. Okay, so that's everything for the landing page. And then this is where you manage your rewards. And so this is where they go to download the free PDF or free file that you're going to give them after they've opted in, as well as the product image. So that just goes right here. Here's the image. Here's the download report URL. Here's your download headline, the sub headline, which is obviously right here, just explaining what they're getting. The download button style, so what color you want that download button to be, which is just right here, and the download button copy. Okay, now this is for sharing. Okay, now we have that done for you video. If you want to use that done for you video, which is right here, or you can embed your own video, just walking people through this process and encouraging them to share their referral URL. Okay, then you have all the different options to share on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+. If you, for whatever reason, don't want any of these, or you want to focus just on one social media button, you can do so. here are all your different rewards. So as you can see here, you can just click on edit reward. And this is where we've built in the gamification concept where they can earn these badges for when they unlock the rewards. And so we've had a number of professionally done badges. And so you can pick your own, or you can choose a custom badge, whatever you want to do. And then you show your reward headline, subheadline, the number of points they need to unlock it, and the URL that they'll go once they unlock that reward. It will display the download button. So you can do that with all of these different rewards that you want to have. Okay. And then the extra points. So if you want to have them like you on Facebook, you can use a little like badge or your own custom badge, and then put in your content, how many points they can earn for doing so. Same thing with Twitter. Okay, if they follow you on Twitter, how many points they're going to earn, and then obviously your Twitter handle and some of the content that is displayed right under earn extra points. And just some kind of aesthetics, the banner design color, the banner, the shared design color, the button colors, all that kind of stuff, which is all just like right here, and the different button colors here. So this is just kind of aesthetics. You don't need to mess with that, but if you want to really work on your branding and have it match the colors of your logo, that type of stuff, you can change that. Now we've also added integration. So this is where you can copy and paste your autoresponder. So once they opt in, they go into your autoresponder sequence, and they get put on your list. So you can set up an autoresponder. If you want to drip feed some emails to them, you can do so right within your autoresponder. Now we've also added GoToWebinar integration. So if you want to use this, if you want to use List Eruption to build your list of and try to get people to opt into your webinar, all you need to do is put in your GoToMeeting or your GoToWebinar registration URL right here, and they'll automatically get added to your webinar. So again, just another element that we've added in version 2.0 that we never had in version 1. And obviously webinars are only getting bigger, and so this was a really big feature that we added. Postmark app, which is a third-party email integration. So if you want to send emails out through Postmark, you can just put in your API, and the emails, you can send out email reminders to the people that have opted in, encouraging them again, saying, hey, you've just unlocked a free gift. Make sure you refer X number of people. You'll get more cool bonuses. And then just some extras. If you want to add any custom CSS or JavaScript, you can do so. Now, obviously, if you're a designer or developer, this would probably appeal to you. If you're not, then you don't need to worry about it. Some SEO settings under the copy. If you want to add, a site title, description, keywords, any of that, you can optimize each of your pages. These are for your download area. So this is just the copy for your download. The copy for sharing, the copy for unlocking points, and just your footer copy. Okay, this goes down here at the bottom. So, as you can see, guys, we have, this has been, professionally done. There's nothing out there that's like this, or this flexible. And so, one of the big things we had with List Eruption 1.0 was people really wanted to have flexibility. And so we think that we've really done that with version 2.0. We've taken thousands of version 1.0 buyers' feedback, and we've tried to incorporate it in 2.0. And so again, we're launching this on May 9th. This is an extremely powerful plugin. We could easily be selling this for hundreds of dollars, but we're going to be doing a 7-day sale, and then we're going to take it to a high-ticket webinar. And so we look forward to having your guys' support. If you need anything, feel free to reach out to me on Skype or on Facebook. I'm fairly accessible. So we appreciate all of your support. If you guys, we do have review copies for anyone who has promoted our products in the past. And we look forward to seeing you guys on May 9th. All right, guys, see you soon.